For resistance band exercises you might be doing incorrectly, and how to fix your form. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Resistance bands have been the hero at home. But if you're not using them properly, you might as well be sticking to bodyweight exercises rather than waste your time with poor form. If you're taking the time to train, it's important that you know how to use the equipment you have on hand, limited though that might be right now. Resistance bands are great for activation, resistance, balance and targeting smaller muscles, so it's well worth the time to get to know them a little better before busting out reps. Here are 4 resistance band exercises people often perform incorrectly and how to fix your form to get the maximum benefit. 1. Lat Pull Down with resistance band. The traditional lat pull down is a vertical pull that targets the muscles of the upper back and is usually performed on a machine at the gym. But when you're substituting a resistance band, you need to make a few adjustments. First off, you'll need to leave one arm in the air as the other pulls or attach the center to an anchor point above your head to mimic the machine movement. Another common mistake is not stabilizing your shoulder blades. They should stay back and down the spine. You also want to make sure you're drawing your elbows back and down and keeping tension in the band as you release back up to the starting position. 2. Banded inchworm. Adding a resistance band to the inchworm increases the recruitment of your shoulder muscles so you'll really feel the burn. But a common mistake people make is dipping the hips in the high plank. Squeeze your glutes and draw your belly in to stabilize your core and prevent your lower back from arching. Also make sure your wrists are stacked underneath your shoulders and your weight presses back into your heels. 3. Banded monster walk. For this exercise, resistance bands target smaller glute stabilizer muscles, the gluteus minimus and medius. These muscles are responsible for maintaining proper function of your lower body while walking and running in order to prevent injuries at the hip, knee and ankle. However, common mistakes people make with the monster walk are not pushing the hips far back enough in a seated position. Think about sitting back into a chair, not engaging the glutes before stepping out, squeeze your booty, and not keeping tension in the band. Make sure the feet never touch. 4. Banded clamshell. Most people perform the clamshell incorrectly. To perform this move correctly, keep the hips forward and the heels of the feet together. Move from your glutes and don't just throw the knees open. When you do this exercise correctly, you'll feel an activation, burning, on the side of your glutes/hips. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe, like and share for more and to get notifications when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.